Hey, welcome back to Cooking with Chef Brett. Today I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful beer batter coconut dip shrimp. First I'm going to show you how to peel and clean the shrimp. Then we're going to move on to making the beer batter. Then I'm going to show you how to bread the shrimp up. And then we're going to fry them up. So if you like what you see, consider giving me a subscribe and hitting the thumbs up. So let's jump right into it. All right, let me show you how to peel and devein these shrimp. So this is the little side with the legs there. Flip it over. I have my paring knife with the blade facing up. I'm going to slip it right under the shell there, and I'm going to rock it back and forth. Get down to about the tail. I pull one side, I pull the other. I meet in the middle, I pinch it off, and I can get the whole shell off. With that move, I've already cut the back of the shrimp open, and I'm able to see the vein. So with my paring knife, I'm just going to grab this vein here, and I'm going to take that out. And now we have a peeled and deveined shrimp. For these beer batter coconut dip shrimp, I'm going to go a little further cut. So that the shrimp sits like this. This is what I'm looking for when I fry them. All right, so let's move over and make our beer batter. I'm going to start with one beer. I find light beer is better. It gives a nice flavor. Some of the flavored beers, heavier stuff, can be a little overpowering. The key thing to remember with the beer batter when you're trying to remember the recipe, one beer to one egg. So if you need more and it's 4 beers, then 4 eggs. So we got the beer, we got an egg. Let's mix that all up. Now we're going to add a couple cups of flour. Kind of what I'm looking for here is like a thick pancake type batter. So that was like a cup and a half. We're going to put in a 1/4 cup of cornstarch, tablespoon of salt, half a teaspoon, that's actually a teaspoon of salt, teaspoon of black pepper. I'm going to put in a little Old Bay, a few sprinkles. That's not really coming out. So let's see, we'll measure it. There's a half a teaspoon. Let's whip this up. And I like that. That's a good consistency. And that's how you make beer batter. So let's move on to breading the shrimp. We got flour, beer batter, our sweetened shredded coconut, and of course our shrimp. What I'm going to do is I'm going to season this flour a little bit. Got a little more Old Bay in there. We could put a little salt, some black pepper, mix that around. Okay, so we got our shrimp. We're going to give it a light coating in the flour, into the beer batter, then into the coconut. The coconut, you want to go ahead and press it on. Really get that guy coated up nice. You can see that. Look at that. It's going to be beautiful. All right, time to fry the shrimp. So I've got some peanut oil in here. I like to fry in peanut oil. It has a neutral taste, and it has a higher smoking point. Today we're going to go fry these about 325 to 340. Not too hot because we don't want to burn the coconut. You can check with one of these gun thermometers. Registers right on top of the surface area, or you could use a regular thermometer. So the oil's ready. Handling the shrimp by the tails, I'm just going to put them into the oil gently. All right. Almost time to be eating beer batter coconut dip shrimp. The hard work is behind us. You don't want to overstuff the pot. You might have to work in batches. When they first go in, I don't want to move them too much. I want that coating to set, and then maybe I'll start to check them and move them around so everything cooks evenly. But so far, so good. Yeah, you may need to press the shrimp down a little, get everybody in there. Maybe just starting to brown here, flip it over. Just be careful with the oil. It's very hot. Oh, I don't want to get burnt with that. Flip my shrimps over. Let me check the temp of my oil. It's good. That's why I like the gun, because I'm not sticking my hand in there with the thermometer, getting splashed. The gun's nice. I got this for the pizza oven. Tells me the temperature of the stone. I'll throw a link down in the description for this thermometer gun. All right, so these shrimp have been in for a total of about 3.5 minutes. They are done. That is it. If you need to check them, one thing that you can do with a little paring knife, just gently go in and cut a little slit down in the thick part there, and just get a look at the meat. Let me fry off these other two. And we'll be plating up our shrimps and having us a little snack. Right, let's plate these up and give them a try. I got some sweet chili sauce, which I'll drizzle on here. Nice. Let's just get these shrimp here. Look how nice these came out. These guys are monsters. This was a 13-15 shrimp I used. You could also use the little ones like for a dinner party, 41.50, and then people could come by and just pop them right into their mouth. But there we go. We got our beer batter coconut dip shrimp, so now we got to give them a try. See what we got. Well, hear that crunch? It's crunchy, sweet, and it's shrimp. Can't go wrong. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.